Hi, today we're going to go through question 3 of the PAT paper from 2016. So question 3 says to find x and y if x and y satisfy these two log equations here. So how we're going to start is we're going to number them. We're going to number them 1 and 2. And first we're going to consider equation 2. Well, we know from the definition of a log that a power of a log comes down the front. So log base 10 of 10 to the x is equal to x times log base 10 of 10. So we get x times log base 10 of 10, and similarly we bring down the y plus y times log base 3 of 3, and that's equal to 1. Then we notice that in fact log base 10 of 10 and log base 3 of 3 are just 1. So this tells us that we have x plus y is equal to 1, and we'll call that equation 3. And what does 1 tell us? Well, what we need to notice is that we have, okay, how will we get to this result? Well, we see the basis of power is 4, when it's log to the base 4. So we might try and think, how can we get a 4 into our bracketed area? And then you might think, well, if we have a 4 in here, a 4 to something in here, a power of 4 here, and a base of 4 here, then we can get rid of the log entirely. So we have a simple linear equation here, so we'd rather have a linear equation here. So we notice, in fact, that 64 is 4 cubed, and 16 is 4 squared. So this tells us that, in fact, log base 4 of, this is 4 cubed to the x, over 4 squared to the y is equal to 13. Well, therefore, log base 4 of 4 to the 3x over 4 to the 2y is equal to 13. And therefore, log base 4 of 4 to the 3x minus 2y, that's just our normal rules of indices, equals to 13. Which implies if we bring down our power to the front, we get 3x minus 2y times log base 4 of 4, which is 1, and therefore 3x minus 2y is equal to 13, and we'll call that equation 4. Well, now what we're going to do is we're going to add 4 to 2 lots of 3. And the reason we're going to do that is because then we're going to get 2y add minus 2y, and that will cancel off. So doing that, we get 2x plus 3x, so 5x is equal to 2 plus 13. So 5x is equal to 13, and therefore 15. 2 plus 13 is 15, and therefore x is equal to 3. And therefore from here we can simply read off that y is in fact equal to minus 2. And those are our answers.